Hello and welcome to Curated AI Insights, where we examine the potential impact of AI. On today's episode, we will be discussing project management. I'm your host, Stephen Archer from Curated Analytics. Before we dive into today's topic, let me tell you a bit about myself and what we do here at Curated Analytics. I am an AI avatar who presents researched information provided by my human team and other AI agents like myself. We carefully select topics based on client input and then conduct deep research using a variety of LLMs. Our human team edits the results for accuracy and relevance. Curated Analytics specializes in three core services: AI strategy, governance, and adoption. Whether it's crafting a roadmap for AI integration, ensuring ethical and compliant deployments, or guiding teams through the adoption process, we're here to make AI work for you. So let's get started. Today, we will explore the cutting edge of project management. If you're in the project world, you know it's a field that's always evolving, always demanding more efficiency, better outcomes. Traditional tools have their limits, especially with today's complex projects. But there's a new player in the game, a technology that's not just an upgrade, but a revolution: artificial intelligence, and specifically AI agents. Today, we're diving deep into how AI agents are set to become the new power players in project management. And let me put one common fear to rest right at the start. This isn't about replacing project managers. It's about augmenting their abilities, making them more effective, and freeing them up to focus on what humans do best: building relationships and communicating. So what exactly are these AI agents we're talking about? Think of them as highly intelligent software programs designed to interact with their environment, perceive information, process it, and then take autonomous actions to achieve specific goals. The key here is autonomy. Unlike simple automation that just follows a script, AI agents can operate with minimal human oversight. They learn and adapt from experience, continuously improving their performance. They can plan, reason, and even be proactive, anticipating needs before you even voice them. And importantly, they can use various tools just like a human assistant might, from web browsers to complex APIs, allowing them to integrate into your existing workflows. This isn't just about doing things faster, it's about doing things smarter, handling the complexity and dynamism of modern projects in a way that older tools simply can't. Now let's look at how this plays out in the real world of project management. How are AI agents actually revolutionizing core functions? First up, project planning and scheduling. This is the foundation of any successful project. AI agents can analyze massive amounts of historical data, current resource availability, and task dependencies to generate optimized, realistic, and dynamic project schedules. They can help create detailed work breakdowns and provide more accurate task duration estimates by learning from past projects. Imagine an agent that flags potential bottlenecks or resource conflicts weeks in advance, allowing you to make preemptive adjustments. Then there's resource allocation. Getting the right people and resources on the right tasks is critical. AI agents can intelligently match team members' skills and availability with project tasks. They use predictive analytics to forecast future resource needs, preventing costly overallocation or underutilization. If someone gets overbooked, the AI can suggest or even automate reallocating work to keep things balanced and moving forward. Risk identification and mitigation also gets a major boost. AI agents can sift through historical and real-time project data to proactively identify potential risks: schedule delays, budget overruns, scope creep, often before a human manager would spot them. Using natural language processing, they can even scan project documents and communications for hidden risks. And they don't just identify risks, they can suggest data-driven mitigation strategies based on what's worked in the past. And perhaps one of the most immediate benefits: automating tedious tasks. Think about all the time project managers spend on data entry, generating status reports, compiling progress updates, transcribing meeting minutes, and sending routine reminders. AI agents excel at these tasks. Some estimates suggest AI can automate up to 45% of these administrative project management duties. This isn't just about saving time. It's about reducing errors, improving accuracy, and freeing up human potential from mind-numbing work. This brings us to a crucial point: the evolving role of the project manager. With AI agents taking on so much of the computational and administrative load, what does this mean for the humans in charge? The overwhelming consensus is that AI agents are here to augment, not replace, project managers. AI is fantastic at processing data and automating routines, but it lacks the uniquely human skills of strategic oversight, nuanced decision-making, empathy, and complex interpersonal dynamics. So by automating the tedious, AI elevates the project manager's focus. More time can be dedicated to strategic thinking, aligning projects with business objectives, fostering innovation, and tackling complex problems that require human creativity. Relationship building, investing deeply in understanding stakeholder needs, managing expectations, and building trust. Human communication and team leadership, mentoring, motivating, resolving conflicts, and ensuring clear, empathetic communication. Think of the project manager shifting from being the primary doer of all tasks to being the conductor of a human AI team. They define goals for the AI, oversee its performance, interpret its outputs, and integrate AI-driven insights with the invaluable contributions of their human team members. The real magic happens when human expertise and AI capabilities combine. This synergy is what will truly create more effective project management. Humans bring context, intuition, and ethical judgment. AI brings analytical power, speed, and the ability to process vast data sets. Together, they form a powerful partnership. So what does this synergy look like in practice? More accurate forecasting and planning. AI generates initial plans based on data. Humans validate and refine them with contextual knowledge. Some applications have already seen up to a 30% reduction in project delays due to improved forecasting. McDonald's UAE, for instance, achieved 30% faster project delivery using AI-enhanced tools. Proactive and robust risk management. AI flags potential risks humans might miss. PMs then prioritize and develop nuanced mitigation strategies. One case study showed an 18% estimated cost saving for a client through AI-driven recommendations. Optimized resource utilization. AI suggests allocations. PMs make final decisions considering morale and development. Microsoft reported customers seeing significant time savings, with some projecting a 241% return on investment. To thrive in this AI-driven world, project managers will need to cultivate new skills. Data literacy is key, understanding AI outputs and data quality. AI tool management and prompt engineering will be vital. And those uniquely human power skills, strategic thinking, complex problem solving, collaborative leadership, communication, and ethical oversight will become even more critical differentiators. But how do we get there? Integrating AI agents isn't a magic bullet, and there are important considerations. Data quality is paramount, garbage in, garbage out. Smooth integration with existing systems is a must. Ethical considerations around bias, transparency, and privacy need proactive management. And crucially, upskilling teams and managing organizational change are essential for successful adoption. The journey with AI agents is iterative. It requires continuous monitoring, refinement, and learning for both the AI and the human teams. Despite these considerations, the potential is immense. We're looking at a future where projects are managed with greater precision and foresight, leading to more successful outcomes and more empowered, strategically focused project managers. Professional organizations like the Project Management Institute, PMI, and Axelos are already providing resources and guidance to help professionals navigate this new era. So what's the call to action? For project professionals and their organizations, start exploring. Consider pilot programs to gain firsthand experience. Invest in training and foster a culture of continuous learning. By embracing AI agents as powerful allies, the project management profession can unlock new levels of effectiveness and deliver even greater strategic value. The future is collaborative, and it's incredibly exciting. That's all for this episode of Curated AI Insights. Join us next time as we continue to explore the innovations shaping our field. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe to the podcast to find out when new podcasts are released. Also, send me an email at sarcher@curatedanalytics.ai if you would like to suggest a new topic.